can find out where is the fire. Through the skin, by transfer of heat, you can find out where is the fire. But at the same time, we have technology inside. So what is the technology inside? First of all, smoke detectors are there. So to detect the fire, okay, once you find out, F means find out. Once you find out the fire, immediately I says that inform to everyone. How to inform? The red color box is called manual call point, MCP. If you see a fire, press the manual call point immediately. When you press the manual call point, automatically the sound comes from hooters. So this is what you like. You are the alarm sound. Okay? F means find out. I says that inform. There is other way of also information. Trigger the alarm. Make a phone call to your internal emergency management system. That is security or reception. Make a phone call and inform them. Find out information. Then what is R? R says that respond. How to respond? Take the fire extinguisher and put out the fire immediately. But before going to take a fire extinguisher, remember, fire extinguisher is only for small fire, not for the big fire. Second important point, you should have a knowledge on how to operate a fire extinguisher. At the same time, immediate response is mandatory. Okay, who will respond? The trained team going to respond. The remaining people, what they are supposed to do? They are going to follow the last option called E. E says that evacuation. What is evacuation? If you heard the alarm, immediately stop your work. Proceed to your nearest emergency exit. Use the emergency exit immediately. Never use the lift. If you feel that lift is the easiest way, means that if you use the lift, yes, lift is the easiest way, not for go down. Go up directly. If you use the lift, that's a direct Tatkal ticket. So never use the lift. Use only staircase. Come to the ground. Assemble at safe assembly area in a line. Remember, never form a group. In a line for take the head count. Today what we have done is called evacuation. While evacuating, we have already tried ERT members are there. So that's why follow the instruction. Obey the instruction while evacuating. They are going to check each and every closed room. Training room, board room, conference room, including washroom also they are going to check and ask them to everyone evacuate. You know why we need to check washroom? Sapna complex, fire accident. When there is a fire, 6 members went to washroom, locked themselves in the washroom. They thought that washroom is the safest place. They thought that there is no fire. But there is no fire. Due to smoke asphyxiation, the 6 members lost their life in washroom. That's why ERT is going to check each and every closed room. And at that time, you and me can walk fast and walk brisk. But the ERT team is already trained, so they are going to carry give some kind of assistance to expecting mother, differently able person, senior citizen, and take them to the ground level immediately. While evacuating, never use mobile phone. Immediately in the staircase. In the staircase also, you should come at left side only. The right side should be empty. ERT team will come down to start rescue operation. While evacuating, never think about the personal belongings. Property might brought back, but life can't brought back. Immediately reach the safe assembly points. Now, how to operate a fire extinguisher? To operate a fire extinguisher, there is a method called PASS. P-A-S-S method. What is PASS? P means pull the pin. A means aim at the base of the fire. S means there is a squeeze grip you have to press. Last S means sweep it side by side. That is the technique to operate a fire extinguisher. Now we are going to show the live demonstration of fire extinguisher and the live fire. Here we have CO2 type fire extinguisher. CO2 type fire extinguisher. So before going to take a fire extinguisher, remember, sir, don't mind, please come closer. Here we are going to show the demonstration. If you want to operate a fire extinguisher, before going to take a fire extinguisher, you need to check the 3 important points. One is check the wind direction. Operate the fire extinguisher always in same direction. Never operate opposite direction to the wind. Second point, This is only for small fire, not for the big fire. Third point, you should have a knowledge on how to operate a fire. Now there is a total 6 types of fires. Class A fire solids, Class B liquids, Class C gas and electrical, Class D combustible metals, K or F kitchen room oil fires. But now the latest fire is Class L lithium ion battery fire. We all know that electrical vehicles are there. What the battery inside is? Lithium ion battery fire. So lithium ion battery got fire, that comes under the Class L fire. Now total 6 types of fire. Once you take a fire extinguisher, first you check the sticker, this operational sticker. Operation sticker says that what type of fire extinguisher it is and what type of fires we have to use clearly. See here, this operation sticker saying that carbon dioxide for DC fires. D means liquid fire. Liquid means petrol, diesel, kerosene, paint, chemical, solvents, alcohol. That comes under Class B. Class C means gas and electrical fire. Now carbon dioxide for Class B and Class C. While operating carbon dioxide fire extinguisher, so this is, the pipe name is called discharge hose. This is called horn. There is a handle. You should hold a handle only. Never touch anywhere. You know why? CO2 comes with minus 24 degrees. If touch anywhere, there is chance of frost bite. How to operate now? Safe distance is 1.5 to 2 meters for operate powder type. Now see here. Proper safe distance. One leg should be support the fire extinguisher. One leg to the front. Hold at the handle. Aim at the base. Aim at the base. Then remove the pin. Here we have a pin that we need to remove. It's a new fire extinguisher. Second. Remove the pin. That is also new. Remove the pin. Hold at the handle. Aim at the base. Then there is a control valve. How to operate a control valve that is in anti-clockwise direction. Like how we can open the bottle cap. Let's see. If you open it, automatically see here. See what it comes like a test push sound. Don't be hesitate. See what it can be used in all types of soft drinks. Like Coke, Fanta. Even beer also see what it can be used. So don't be hesitate. Right? Like see the live fire. Right? So you have to operate in the same direction. It means from there, it is in this direction only. Right? You have to operate in the same direction, not opposite to the wind. So see here how to operate. Just aim the base. Just aim it. Then sweep it side by side. Easy to operate. Who will come to operate first? Who will come? So just with the left hand, hold on the handle only. Left hand. Right? Now, just aim, leg support, open anti-clockwise direction. Leg support, leg support. See here, to avoid sliding, one leg should be like this. One leg should be the front. Otherwise, split what happens, chance to fall. That's one leg support, one leg should be the front, and aim to the base. Then operate anti-clockwise direction, and sweep it side by side. Right? Now we come next person. Next person. Ladies and gentlemen. Anyone? Yes. The left one. Right? Now aim. Otherwise, the chance of crash bites. Okay? Anyone interested? Already you heard alarm. That's why you reach the safe assembly point. If you want to re-enter into the building, one more alarm is required. Without alarm, you don't have permission. The alarm is called all clear signal. You have an emergency alarm. Now to repack, all clear alarm is required. Okay? But now, after the alarm, I think almost 10 minutes of time, on average. Okay? But why we are going to conduct these kind of drills regularly means to reduce the time period. After the alarm, how much time that we are taking from workstations to safe assembly points. So that's why next step you need to reduce the time. So that's why please everyone raise the hand. Raise the hand. I promise. I promise.
I promise.
I promise.
I promise.
What did you promise? Next time the time will reduce. Heard the alarm, I will immediately reach the safe assembly point. Right? So shall we give all clear signal? Right? Now we are giving all clear signal. Right? Now please back to our workstation safely. Right? Thank you sir. Thank you all. Thank you.